3, 2, 1.
You're watching
TCO Takeover.
We are here to help you with your everyday needs.
Today, I've got something truly incredible for all you Blox Fruits fans out there. If you've been searching for the ultimate way to level up quickly and effortlessly, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll guide you through downloading and updating REDz Hub, one of the best scripts available for Blox Fruits on Roblox. With its cutting-edge auto-farm features, this script is designed to make your gameplay smoother, faster, and more efficient than ever before. Before we dive into the download process, let me tell you why REDz Hub is a must-have for any Blox Fruits enthusiast. It's not just about its speed and reliability, it's also packed with powerful features that let you farm XP efficiently, locate devil fruits with ease, and dominate the game like a true legend. Whether you're new to Blox Fruits or a seasoned player, REDz Hub has everything you need to boost your gameplay to the next level. Now, let's get started with the download and update process. First, open your browser and head to the official script link. Don't worry, I've included the link in the description for easy access. Download the REDz Hub script and save it to your device. Once you've got the script ready, copy it to your clipboard. Next, open your Delta Executor. For this tutorial, I'm using Delta Executor, a reliable and user-friendly tool for running scripts. Launch Delta Executor and ensure your Roblox client is up to date. Open Blox Fruits within Roblox, then paste the copied REDz Hub script into the Executor's script box. Once the script is in place, hit the Execute button, and that's it. The REDz Hub script will activate, enabling all its incredible features, including the powerful auto-farm tool. Watch as your character levels up rapidly, and enjoy seamless gameplay enhancements that will make you a true Blox Fruits legend. And there you have it. With REDz Hub, you now have access to one of the most efficient auto-farm scripts available for Blox Fruits. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you'll always be updated with the latest gaming scripts and tips. Let me know in the comments which feature of REDz Hub is your favorite, or if there's another game script you'd like me to cover next. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll catch you in the next video. Happy gaming!